Man, for a long time, has been relying solely on chemical and biological methods of defeating diseases without putting much attention on biotechnological methods. Not until 1959 did the physicist Richard Feynman come up with the idea of the use of nanotechnology to manipulate atoms and molecules, stated in his theory, "There's plenty of room at the bottom." COVID-19 is from the family of coronaviruses and is grouped under severe acute respiratory syndromes. A coronavirus enters the body through the eyes, nose, or mouth and then moves to the throat and the lungs. There, it uses protein spike-like structures to connect to the molecular receptors of a cell, which gives it access to the cell. The ribosome in the human cell replicates the genetic information of the coronavirus, forming new coronavirus which go on to infect other cells. Nanobots, nanoids or nanites are very tiny microscopic machines of about 1 billionth of a meter. 5,000 nanoids can fit the perimeter of a single hair. Nanobots can be produced using organic materials like proteins and polynucleotides, as well as inorganic materials such as metals and diamonds. A nanobot designed to fight against coronavirus should be made of sensors which can be mechanical, thermal or optical, propulsion equipment on nanomotors, and a piezoelectric membrane. Nanobots are inhaled into the lungs. From there, it uses the piezoelectric membrane to convert ultrasonic signals to electricity. With that electricity, it is directed by a magnetic field outside the body to the area affected with the coronavirus. A nanobot possessing red, near-infrared or ultraviolet light can kill the virus or cells that possess the virus. In animals, red and near-infrared lights have been used to reduce respiratory disorders, similar to those complications associated with coronavirus. In patients, chronic obstructive lung disease and bronchial asthma have been alleviated by red lights. Nanobots can be directed out of the body using magnetic fields or disabled by electromagnetic pulse, but the method of electromagnetic pulse is not advised since inorganic nanoids cannot be absorbed by the body. The great work before us should also show us that we have great breakthroughs before us, and that should spur us to explore uncharted territories.